Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to make your Twitter account private. If you are concerned about your privacy on Twitter or simply want to limit who can see your tweets, making your account private is a great option. In this video, I will show you how to make your Twitter account private in just a few easy steps. First off, log into your Twitter account and then click on your profile picture on top left corner. After that, click on Settings and Support and then click Settings and Privacy. After that, click on Privacy and Safety from the new menu appeared and then click on Audience and Tagging. From here, you will see an option Protect Your Tweets. Enable this option and now your tweets will be protected, so only current followers and people you approve in future will be able to see your tweets. If you want to add privacy to photo tagging, click on the photo tagging button and from here you will have a few options like anyone can tag you, only people you follow can tag you, or off, which means nobody will be able to tag you. And that's it. You have made successfully your Twitter account private. From now on, only your followers will be able to see your tweets. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Cheers.